So as promised, today I will talk about strength training, and it's not a coincidence that I'm on top of a hill now. So unlike stretching, strength training is really important part of triathlon training. Well, for example, if you have a fast runner and a strong runner in a triathlon, the strong runner will win. Even though if it's only a run race, the fast runner would definitely be the faster one. So strength training definitely has benefits also for injury prevention and injury rehabilitation. But one thing to consider as with stretching is time. So if you go to the gym 3 times per week for 1 hour of lifting weights, maybe you would be better if you use that time training for the one of the free sports and incorporate strength training into the free sports. So that's the thing that I do. I do strength training every day, but I don't lift weights, I don't go to the gym. So while I swim, I do a lot of work with pedals. I think I swim around 50% of my swim session with pedals. And on the bike and run, I ride and run over a lot of hills. If you live in an area where there is no hills, well, you could use Turbo Trainer on the bike. I use that a lot as well. That develops strength, maybe even better than the hills. And for the run, you can use treadmill, or you can find, I don't know, some long stairs and run over some stairs a couple of times per week. Okay, so that's pretty much it. See you next week. Bye.